Hi guys, today I'm going to be making homemade egg noodles.
In a large bowl, I mix 1 cup of all-purpose flour with 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Make a well in the center and add in 2 whole eggs and 1 egg yolk.
You want to add the flour to the center of the well and mixing as you go along. Now you're going to mix in water about 1 tablespoon. You're going to finish mixing and forming the dough with your hands, flouring lightly if needed. And you want your dough to be firm and elastic, not sticky or crumbly.
Roll out to desired thickness and use a pastry cutter or a sharp knife to cut into strips. Try on a cutting board for at least 30 minutes before using. If you want to store them, dry them at least 12 hours or until completely dry. And store them in an airtight container in a dry, cool, dark place.
Store them up to 3 months, but completely dry them to prevent mold. Thank you for watching.